All in the Hoop projects can take on a variety of shapes and sizes. Start by hooping 2 layers water-soluble stabilizer in your 5x7 hoop. Stitch out the first color stop, also referred to as a default color. All default colors should match the thread color of your final satin outline. In this case, we will use an olive green. Spray 1 layer of batting and 1 layer of the fabric that you'll be using with embroidery adhesive spray. Place the layer of batting first to cover the running stitch area, and on top of that add your layer of fabric covering the running stitch area. Stitch the next color stop. The batting and fabric will now be secured in the hoop. Stitch the next color stop. The design will be completed in this phase. You'll see a note in the color change sheet about this. Simply follow the color change list if more than one color is included in the design. When the design is complete, remove the hoop, turn over, add adhesive spray to 1 layer of fabric and add to the back of the design. Attach hoop again and stitch the next color stop. This color stop will secure the rear fabric. Remove the hoop from the embroidery machine and trim the edges of the front fabric and batting. Turn hoop over and trim excess fabric also from the back. Attach hoop to the embroidery machine and stitch the next color stop. This color stop will indicate where the satin stitch will be done. The satin stitch will secure this area of your design. Complete the next color stop. This will indicate a wider area than your current design. Remove the hoop, turn over by using your adhesive spray. Add a layer of contrast fabric with the correct side or the right side to the inside. Add your layer of batting on top of this layer of contrast fabric, and lastly your layer of lining on top of the batting, also called a sandwich. For the last 2 color stops, match your bobbin thread with your top thread. Stitch the pre-last color stop. This will secure the rear fabric. Remove the hoop, turn over and trim the fabric from the back. Trim as close as possible to the edge. Attach your hoop for the last color stop. This will be a satin outline to complete your design. Once your design is finished, remove your design from the hoop and cut away the excess stabilizer. Cut away any visible threads from the front as well as from the back. Notice the water-soluble still covering this area. We will cut away only the water-soluble, not through the fabric. Once the water soluble is removed from this area, you will be able to see the pocket. By using a wet Q-tip, we can remove the whiskers visible on the satin outline. Insert your pen and pencil set, and you have the perfect gift.